Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to resize two images to exactly the same size with just one click. To do this, you need to have your different images ready. You can even add a third image, or as many images as you like, using the same process. Simply select both images, go to the Position option, and in the Advanced section, enter the dimensions, like 800 by 800. After that, press Enter and you'll see that both images are now the same size. You can compare them. They're both 800 by 800, forming a perfect square. You can use this same method for any other images as well. For now, let's try it with another image. Just click on it, position it, and again enter 800 and 800. Then press Enter. So, as you can see, this method lets you resize all your images at once in just one click. All the images now share the same dimensions. If you have any questions or confusion about this video, please comment below. I will answer all your questions. I'll see you in the next video.